Hey, good afternoon folks. Welcome to Teapot Shop. I got a new product here to show you. See what the straps look like, huh? Look here. TorkStrap.com even. Hey, what's it say here? Just pull. So we got some straps here. And this set here comes with one. Comes with two. Uh-oh. And a little pouch here. Pack of straps, ratchet straps, comes with its own pouch. But hey, what we're really interested in is the straps. And let's see what we got. Now this isn't your regular normal straps. This end here is, but over here on this end is spring loaded in there. Spring loaded in there, so there's a little bit of give and got that tension. And we got a spring loaded lock in place type of hook. Hey, that's what's in the box. Two straps, spring loaded, ready to go for your tie down application. Maybe you're tying down some motorcycles, maybe you're tying down something a little heavier, I don't know. In the back of your truck, you might be tying down trash for all I know, but this right here is going to absorb that, be that shock absorber in that load. It's going to work out real well for you. I can't wait to give them a try. That's what's in the box. We're going to proud United States of America company. Hey, y'all give TorkStrap a look. It's going to work out well for me. I believe it'll work out well for you also. If you need some straps, this is an upgrade right here. Y'all give them a look. In the meantime, have a blessed day.